So I picked up my second box for the inner fender liners today. For my Jeep. So we're gonna get these ones opened up, get the inserts painted, and get ready for install. Let's see how they package this one. It's like the same scenario. Yep. A good foam. Well, their packaging is definitely superb. Okay, let's get this opened up and go from there. Packed. So it's lined again. Double packaged. Box of hardware pieces. All the nuts and bolts. Yeah, we're gonna pull out of these wrappers and get things trimmed up and painted. Oh, got them all folded out, the wrappers. This is what your product should look like when you receive it. We're gonna pop these trim panels out here and the one behind their logo and paint them to match. But yeah, this is what you should get in your box when you open it up, too, like this. Using a rock guard sealer, it adheres to the aluminum really well. So our first coat. And once you get your pieces painted, put 2 coats of rubber rock guard on it and then 2 coats of Plasti Dip paint, and insert back into your panels. That should be your outcome. So we're gonna put the other ones in the other side and be ready for the install. We got our panels in. We're going to complete the assembly of the fenders. I'm just putting a little drop of Loctite on there. Don't have to submerge it like I just did. An 8mm wrench and the 3mm Allen wrench. There. Now I'll rip the plastic liner out of the rear fender housing and put this in and see how it fits. I'll just line the rivets on the outside. Then these quick clips in here, and they all have to pop out. This rear one's just a quick and easy, hopefully. Bolt here that's holding my fender on. Just trim that with a utility knife, I guess. And that should come right out.
Your mud flap. Not your fender. Is holding on his mud flap, not his fender.
Okay, trimmed. That's that.
And let's see if there's any wiring that needs to be tucked up into place.
So they want me to remove this, but I'm going to see how the fit is. I don't look like I should have to, but we'll double check the fit and go from there. So we're slipping these in. This here should go towards the front, I'm suspecting. Okay, now you get that cleaned up. Looks like we're gonna have to move this fuel vent hose too, like they said. Everything else looks like it should come into place.
Where do they suggest you even move that?
Cut it off, I'm suspecting.
Your fuel vent hose. How do you cut off?
The filler neck. I have to trim that bracket up to get it to go in closer, and then I can zip tie it right there. There. Zip tie that back, and that should be lots of room.
This is what he was after. Zip tight to that one spot down there. And this is what he had to cut out. His bracket that was holding everything up.
There.
You gotta put a bolt or something on
No,
that.
I'll just clip it back on.
Go.
Okay, so I got the job complete. These fit very precisely into place. You can do it without pulling your fender off. You just need access to there. 3 bolts, and then the rest of it just clips into place. So yeah, we'll do a little bit of touch up here probably once we get the spring. Put a little bit of rock guard around here just to finish up the paint, protect it a little bit. And the same on this side. Plus we broke this piece in the Rubicon Trail, so it's just kind of a little bit loose on this corner now, but should be good. But quality of product, I would say, is 100%. fit, 100% precise, and yeah, we'll see how the product lasts over a period of time. But yeah, we like the product. The install was good, probably about an hour and 20 minutes, hour and a half probably. They get tools drug out, jacked it cheap up a little bit so you get more room to work, and get her all put together. So yeah, we're happy with the product. We recommend FishBone products so far.
Hi guys, this is Steel Horse Stories, Rick and Tina. We just want to say if you continue to like our channel, please like, subscribe, and share. We love you guys. We love our family and friends, our adventures together. Just stay strong. Love you guys. And signing off for now from Steel Horse Stories. Ta-ta.